Converse of BPT, which is also known as converse of Thales theorem, it states that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. What has been given then? In triangle ABC, we are given a line D cuts AB at D and AC at E, such that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. What is to be proved? To prove is DE parallel to BC. Then with the data given, we can't prove anything. So we have to do one construction. Now suppose DE is not parallel to BC. They haven't given, isn't it? So we have to draw one line DE dash parallel to BC. That is the construction. In triangle ABC, what has been given? I am thinking, Tiger is thinking, AD is equal to DB, AD by DB is equal to, oh, he got an idea. What has been given? AE by AC. The reason is given. Okay, once again, DE dash parallel to BC dash. With that, we can say AD divided by DB is equal to what? AE dash divided by E dash C, because of BPT. From 1, we can say, it is said AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. From 2, AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. From this we can say AE by EC is equal to AE dash by E dash C. We have to add 1 to both sides of AE by EC is equal to AE dash by E dash C. 1. By adding 1, what happens? EC is the LCM. Then in the numerator, if EC is the LCM, AE plus EC it becomes. In this, E dash C is the LCM. So AE dash plus E dash C it becomes. Observe, AE plus EC is equal to AC, isn't it? And AE dash plus E dash C also is equal to AC. Then we can cancel AC and AC as both are in numerator. It implies that EC is equal to E dash C. Actually, this cannot happen. Observe, how can E dash C is equal to E C? This cannot happen. You saw in the figure, if E and C are different points. So what happens? So they must coincide. Like this, E dash comes to E. E dash and E are not different points. They must coincide. Thus, we can conclude that DE dash is nothing but DE. So, DE is parallel to BC. Hence proved.